I hope you are good. So today video agenda is how to find the Salesforce edition and how many ways to find the Salesforce edition. So please have a look. Before that, please subscribe my channel and please like, share and comment in my YouTube channel Salesforce. So let's get started. So come to the my Salesforce org, and this is the URL, login URL. You can see this is the production environment, and let me login this. So login, and you can see this is, I hope this is the classic view. I will explain everything in upcoming video, like what is classic and what is lightning. So please have patience. So let me open my quick find search. Here you can search company information, and let's check this. Here you can see this company profile. Under the company profile you can see company information, and let's click on that company information, and it's open the company information, like company information means the company name and organization detail. At the time of account creation you fill this information, that form. And let me come down. Here you can see one field like addition, organization addition. You can see here, this is the one way to find Salesforce edition. This is the developer edition. You can see here organization edition, developer edition. Okay, this is the one way to find developer edition. So let me open second way, and this is the interview question in big MNC like Capgemini, Infosys and TCS, and every interviewer asking this question, like how to find the Salesforce edition without open company information. So there are another way to find this developer edition. So let me open my browser window, this, and just move your mouse in this browser. You can see this tab. You can see company information, Infosys, Salesforce developer edition. You can see easily here. When we move your mouse over this tab, you can see easily find out developer edition. There are two ways to find the developer edition, and there another way to find this developer edition with the help of SOQL queries, and there are so many programming for that. So before that we can easily find out only configuration, and after that I will show you with the help of program how can find out this developer edition. So this video is enough for this topic. So thank you guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it. Okay, bye bye. Jai Hind.